Good morning and welcome back. This is going to be another hiking video. I'm currently here at Magyarós Bánya, and this is going to be uh, a longer hike, and I am at the starting point. So here, this is almost the center of the village, and there is a miners memorial here, and we have some beautiful monuments. We can see here beautiful flowers, and there is a saying that miners usually say, which is in Hungarian called jó szerencsét. Basically, it means good luck. And this is also another pretty monument, as you can see. And there is a community house, and I have arrived with my bike. So let's see how it goes. So the first quarter of this trail seems to be a forest trail, and apparently there was some raining either last night or the day before, but so far it's going good. Let's see, what do we know about this trail? The next stop is at Bayot, at the temple, and let's see, what else do we know? So along the line we have this, and basically this is the site which describes the route and whatnot. And so there is a coal plateau which is surrounded by different villages like Magyarósbánya, Bajót, Pélföld, Szentkereszt, and so on. And the trail is called Tanba kör because the coal plateau is what's surrounding it, and there used to be like a practice ground for different people who were into mining. And the oldest and the place which was abandoned long ago is called Szarkás. It was in the middle of the 19th century, and there was a big delay until the middle of the 20th century, and the actual history of this Tanba kör started in 1954. So long, see you in the next stop. So welcome back. We are at Bayot, and this is going to be the first checkpoint. And according to the documentation, here we have this QR code, and if you read it and write in the code, you can see that we are at the second checkpoint. Let's take a look at this temple. The next one is Pélföld Szentkereszt Visitor Center. But we are good in time. It was around 5 kilometers from the first stop, so it's like 3 miles or so, and the next one is in 4 kilometers. So this is how this old temple looks like. We have a fake door. And this is the front. We have this usual statue, and the sun is coming up from behind that mountain. Bayot seems to be a pretty nice village. Alright, so far so good. Let's go to the next one. So, I am like halfway to the next checkpoint. I just wanted to show you this beautiful scenery. And if you are old enough, you may recall something from this scene. So it's similar to how Windows XP had its default wallpaper. That was it. Not bad, not bad. So I'm coming down in a valley, and I don't know if you can hear it. The birds are chirping. Yeah, by the way, this is a Boya lavalier microphone. So the birds are chirping, and at the bottom of this valley here we have this spring. So it says that whoever comes, drinks my water, forgets the tank, but falls away, I'm floating free, I'm tiring for others. The life is so simple this way. It's so beautiful just to give and do for others. All right, we have another one. So it may be like a religious place. And I remember that when I was getting to know my wife, so we were dating, we actually came here for a hike at the very first times we met or dated, so to speak. All right, and there goes another statue. These are actually looking pretty good. And we have some bikes here. And this is called Father Havashi Garden. And here we have a small train. All right, let's go. So we have arrived for the third checkpoint. Let's do this. Come on. Okay. 62:45. Okay. So the next stop is Tokod Miners Memorial. So I'm drawing near the third, or rather fourth checkpoint. Well, it was fun. There were no big ups and downs, just a regular hike. Let's check in at the fourth checkpoint. So we are drawing near the end of the hike, and I was wondering if my bike is still there. Yes, it is. So, guys, that was all for today's hiking vlog. Oh, look at that. This is chessboard. So basically this hike was like 22 kilometers or 15 miles. I'm not good at calculating that. And it was not that bad. So that was all. See you in the next one.